Hey, watch out for these credit card looking devices that are actually listening to you. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and every year I attend the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas to see the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets we all need to watch out for in both the good ways and the bad ways. This super slim voice recorder called Slimka was given an award for their innovation with what is currently the slimmest voice recorder on the market. It lasts 180 minutes on a full charge and 365 days on standby, and if it's connected to a smartphone, it can record as much as your smartphone's memory space allows. It doesn't need internet to work, and it can even record while inside a wallet for about up to 25 feet away. The thin size of Slimka and price of under 140 bucks means anyone could be secretly recording you. So be sure to look out for this credit card sized device. Remember what it looks like. For more tech news, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.